Hi, my name is Paige Phelan. I'm taking Chemistry 1 at Parker University. Going to be completing Lab 1. So, Lab 1. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to be measuring a CD, it's breaking time, a key, a fork, and a spoon. So we're going to start with the DVD. I'm going to use a ruler. It looks like it is exactly 12 centimeters. Okay. The key. Like that's going to be around 7.1 centimeters. Okay, now our spoon. Spoon's a little tricky because it's not flat, but I'm going to call it about 17.4. And lastly, the fork. Fork's going to be a little tricky too. Let's see. I'm going to call that 18.3. So now what we have left to do for this lab is to convert centimeters to millimeters and then millimeters to meters. To convert centimeters to millimeters, we're going to move the decimal place once to the right. So 12 centimeters is going to be 120.0 millimeters. The 7.1 centimeters on the key is going to be 71 millimeters. 0.0. The 17.4 centimeters for the spoon is going to be 174.0 millimeters. And the fork is going to be 183.0 millimeters. Now, to convert millimeters to meters, we're going to move the decimal place 3 times to the left. So 1, 2, 3. So 0.120 meters. 1, 2, 3. 0.071 meters. 0.174 meters, and that's for the spoon. And then it's going to be 183 meters for the fork. So that is the first part of the lab. The next part, we're going to be weighing a magnet. And with this magnet, this is going to be for lab chart 5. We're going to get the mass of the magnet, the length, the width, and the height. Multiply all 3 of those to get the volume, and then from there we're going to be able to do the density of the magnet. So I'm going to get my scale. I'm going to wait for it to zero out. Okay. Alright, that's going to be 4.7 grams. Alright, so we no longer need the scale. So again, this is going to be in centimeters. So the length is going to be 2.4 centimeters. The width is about 0.5 centimeters. And the height is is also going to be 0.5 centimeters. Now to get the volume, the equation for that is length times width times height. So the length was 2.4 centimeters times width, which was 0.5, then the height is going to be 0.5. So I need a calculator. Okay, so 2.4 times 0.5 times 0.5 is going to be 0.6. And that's going to be centimeters cubed. Sorry, it cut out there. So we just finished up the volume, and that's 0.6 centimeters cubed. Last thing we need to do is determine the density of the magnet. So the equation for density is mass divided by volume. So the mass we determined was 4.7 grams, and the volume is 0.6 centimeters cubed. So we're going to divide 4.7 by 0.6. That gives us 7.83 repeating, so I'll go ahead and leave that at 7.83. That's going to be grams per centimeter cubed. And that completes Lab 1 and Lab 5.